Welcome to today's newspaper review, where we take a look at the major headlines making waves in Cameroon. We start with the Guardian Post, which headlines the transformation of US-based Anglophone separatist Eric Tato. The paper reports that Tato, once an advocate for school boycotts in the northwest and southwest regions, has now reversed his stance. He has reportedly enrolled in 15 world-class universities for certification courses and master's programs. Le Messager highlights the recent visit of the Minister of State, Secretary General at the Presidency, Ferdinand Gongo, to Kusiri, where he engaged with local leaders and stakeholders. The paper examines the underlying motives and implications of this high-profile visit. La Météo reports that local populations in Logon and Share have vowed to support President Biya in greater numbers than ever before. The pledge was made on February 16 in Kusiri in the presence of Ferdinand Gongo, acting as the president's emissary. Still in the far north region, L'Oeil du Sahel reports that 7 million francs CFA is being demanded for the release of 3 hostages. According to L'Economie newspaper, Cameroon has not conducted a national census since 2005. The paper points out the difficulties in estimating the country's exact population and explores the reasons behind this delay. Emergence then takes on the issue of PhD holders in Cameroon, highlighting a protest planned by unemployed doctorate degree holders. The article delves into their grievances and the recurring challenges of integrating highly educated individuals into the workforce. Over in the West region, La Nouvelle Expression reports on a strike by healthcare workers at the Bafoussam Regional Hospital. The personnel are demanding 4 months of unpaid salaries, 5 months' worth of unpaid quota shares, and the regularization of social security contributions. Still in health, Eco-Santé raises concerns over the presence of cameras in hospitals, particularly during administrative checks and surprise visits by officials. The president of Cameroon's National Order of Doctors, Dr. Rudolph Fonkwa, argues that such practices undermine patient and medical staff dignity, according to the report. Mutation reports on ongoing disputes concerning electronic communications in Cameroon. The degradation of service quality has sparked public outcry, while Camtel, the national telecommunications provider, defends its position. Finally, the National Post brings some good news, announcing that Cameroon's new 48-hour national identity card production system is now operational. This follows the recent launch of the pre-registration platform by the Delegate General for National Security, Martin Barngangele. See you next time when we review the press.